This how to 1 minute will show you how to bulk install your favorite plugins in WordPress. Log into your WordPress dashboard and we need to install a plugin. So hover over on plugins and click on add new plugin. In the search plugins box type WP Core. Here you will get this WP Core plugin manager. Install this plugin and activate it. Once done, scroll down to this left-hand menu and here you will get WP Core. Click on that. And here click on add row or add new collection. And now here you have to open this wpcore.com website. So right click on this link and open in new tab. And now here you have to create a free account. So click on create your free account. Right here your account username. Right here your email address and create a strong password for your account. Confirm the password here and check this box and solve the captcha and click on create account. And once your account created, click on new collection and enter here the collection title. And now select your collection privacy. Here you can write a short description about your collection and now click on continue. Once the collection created, it's time to add plugins. So click on this plus icon and in the search plugins box type the plugin name that you want to install. As you can see, my first plugin has been successfully added. And to add more plugins, again click on this plus icon and search for the plugin that you want to add. Let's add another plugin. That's how you'll be able to add lots of plugins. Once you added plugins here, you will get a code. Copy this code and now go to your WordPress dashboard and here in this collection name and key box paste the code you just copied and click on save collections. And here we can see WP recommends the following plugins. Here we can see my plugins. Now all you have to do is just click on begin installing plugins and now select all of these plugins, click on bulk actions and here select install and click on apply. And this is how we can install and activate bulk plugins in WordPress. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.